You're thinking about becoming a bookkeeper or accountant, and you've heard about Xero. Maybe you're even considering their certifications. But are they actually worth it? Will they land you a better job or help you command higher fees? Let's dive in and find out. Xero is a popular cloud-based accounting software used by businesses worldwide. It's known for its user-friendliness and powerful features. Naturally, Xero offers a range of certifications to demonstrate your expertise. But are these certifications truly valuable in today's competitive market? Let's break down the key benefits of Xero certifications. Enhanced skills. Xero certifications are designed to deepen your understanding of Xero's functionalities. You'll learn about key areas like bank reconciliations. Mastering these is crucial for accurate financial reporting. Payroll processing. Learn how to navigate Xero's payroll features efficiently and accurately. Inventory management. Understand how to track stock levels, manage purchase orders, and generate reports. Reporting and analysis. Learn to generate insightful reports for your clients, such as profit and loss statements and balance sheets. Advanced features. Dive deeper into Xero's more complex features, such as multi-currency transactions, fixed assets, and project tracking. Increased job prospects. In today's competitive job market, Xero certifications can significantly boost your resume. Many employers actively seek candidates with Xero expertise. By demonstrating your proficiency with this popular software, you'll stand out from the competition and increase your chances of landing that dream accounting or bookkeeping role. Higher earning potential. Xero-certified professionals often command higher salaries and fees. Clients are willing to pay a premium for expertise, and demonstrating your Xero knowledge can significantly increase your earning potential. Whether you're seeking a full-time position or building your own freelance bookkeeping business, Xero certifications can translate into a higher income. Improved client confidence. When you're Xero certified, your clients gain confidence in your abilities. They know you're well-versed in the software and can handle their accounting needs efficiently and accurately. This builds trust and strengthens your client relationships. Professional development. Xero certifications provide a structured learning path that enhances your overall accounting and bookkeeping knowledge. You'll learn industry best practices and gain a deeper understanding of accounting principles. This continuous professional development is essential for staying ahead in the ever-evolving world of finance. Addressing concerns. Now, let's address some of the concerns you might have. Cost. Xero certifications do come with a cost associated with the exam fees. However, consider the return on investment. The increased earning potential and improved job prospects can quickly offset the initial cost. Time commitment. Studying for Xero certifications requires time and dedication. However, the time investment is well worth it for the long-term benefits. Many study materials and resources are available to help you prepare efficiently. Maintaining certification. Most certifications require periodic renewal to ensure your knowledge remains up to date with the latest Xero features and updates. This ongoing commitment to learning is crucial for staying competitive and maintaining client trust. Choosing the right certification. Xero offers a range of certifications to suit different career goals and skill levels. Consider these factors when choosing the right certification for you. Your career goals. Are you aiming for a specific role within an accounting firm? Or do you want to build your own freelance bookkeeping practice? Your current skill level. Choose a certification that aligns with your existing knowledge and experience. Your learning style. Xero offers various study resources, including online courses, practice exams, and study guides. Choose the learning format that best suits your preferences. Here are some tips to help you succeed in your Xero certification journey. Thorough preparation. Dedicate sufficient time for studying. Utilize all available study resources, including online courses, practice exams, and the official Xero certification guide. Hands-on experience. Practice using Xero regularly. Work on real-life scenarios and familiarize yourself with the software's interface and features. Join a study group. Connect with other aspiring Xero professionals. Sharing knowledge and experiences can enhance your learning and provide valuable support. Stay updated. Keep up with the latest Xero updates and industry trends. This will ensure your knowledge remains current and relevant. So, Is Xero certification useful? Absolutely. By investing in Xero certifications, you can enhance your skills, boost your career prospects, increase your earning potential, and gain a competitive edge in the accounting and bookkeeping industry. While there are costs and time commitments involved, the long-term benefits far outweigh the initial investment. Remember to choose the right certification for your goals. Dedicate yourself to thorough preparation and stay updated with the latest industry trends. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.